Now, if you want to make your picture black and white, it is really quite simple. If you go up to the top on Photoshop and go to Image, Adjustments, and then where it says Hue/Saturation, you click on that. And as many of you know, hue means you can change the raw color. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to take the saturation all the way down so it's black and white. Now from here, we want to make the image look a little bit more striking, so we want to adjust the values. So that's the blacks and the greys. We want to make the blacks a bit darker and we want to make the whites a bit lighter. So we'll go back to Image, Adjustments, and we go on to what is called Levels. We click that and we get this little slider. Now when I move the black, it makes all the blacks go a bit darker. And when I move the whites, they go a bit lighter. Now obviously we want to keep a good range of mid-tones. We don't want it too dark or too light. We just want to look interesting. Now click OK on that, and then you file, save a copy, and make sure the format is JPEG. Save that somewhere where it's safe, you know, on your desktop, and you can drag it into your Google Drive after. When you're saving it, make sure it's a large file. You'll get this JPEG options come up. Click OK, and that is now saved on my desktop.